Hello everyone. We are done with the corporate reputation. In this particular unit, we left only two concepts. One is Sachar committee suggestions and another recent trends in CSR. So if you searched in internet, Sachar committee suggestions what are there, you will get many information. And there are many committees which is called Sachar committee which is related for several other aspects. One famous Sachar committee is for the study of the situation of the backward classes. So, all Sachar committees are not related to corporate social responsibility. We need to focus the Sachar committee which is suggested regarding the corporate social responsibility activities. Let's see what are the suggestions of Sachar committees. The Sachar Committee was appointed in 1978 to look into the corporate social responsibility issues concerning Indian companies. And this committee is identified this information. The company must behave and function as a responsible member of the society. Company has the responsibility. So, we are studied in the corporate citizenship as a artificial person. The companies also has the responsibility and more than one normal person, the company has the more responsibility. Correct? So the company is responsible for the society too. Some business houses have established the social institutions. There are some of the companies are established some of the NGOs, okay, to perform the CSR activities. And corporate sectors have not made significant contributions. So this committee is found out there are some companies, there are some corporate sectors which have not made the significant contributions, the contribution which is usable or which is effective more. Fine. For that, they have given some suggestions to come out from these all issues. The committee suggested that openness in the corporate affairs and the behavior. The companies should behave openly. The corporate affairs should be shown to its stakeholders. So that is what environmental disclosure, right? So more than environmental disclosure, the corporate affairs, what is going on within the company should be disclosed to its stakeholders. Then social cost benefit analysis, this is somewhere related to environmental accounting. So how many benefits a company is got from the society and how much it is returned to the society, and the work or the decisions which is taken by the company will affect in what manner to the society and what is the benefit from that particular decision to the society. So that one also should be disclosed or analyzed. Then social accountability, calculating the social benefits which is received and given. Then establish the business firms in the rural areas. So this is not for exploiting the resources of the rural area, but for the development of that particular area. Because of the corporate social responsibility activities, the surroundings or the company where it exists, that area will develop. This committee is suggested to establish the business in rural areas. Then comes the employment policies. The employment policies of the company should be clear. It is somewhere related to the training and development. It should prefer the local area people and they should be provided the training and they should provide the career opportunity too. Submit regularly social report. So the social report should be submitted how much benefit the company has got from the society and what are the social responsibility activities which is done by the company. So regularly these report should be submitted. Social welfare of its employees. So not only the society, even they should focus on the employee. A company should focus on the employee for what reason? They should win the loyalty of the employees. Then only they will get the 100% effort from the employees. Correct? It may be related to working environment. It may be related to other benefits like ESI, PF, and even which is related to the payment. So when employees are treated good, the company will be in good position. So this one we have already studied in the corporate reputation. Fine. So these all are the suggestions from the Sachar committee, and mainly Sachar committee says a company may give the good dividend to its investors or may not give the good dividend. But if a company is not contributing to the society properly, then that particular company should be treated as socially irresponsible company. Okay. Fine. So this is about the Sachar committee's suggestions. We will go for the recent trends in CSR. Push for the cleaner environment. So this is the result of the Swachh Bharat. So even though the corporate social responsibility is made mandatory in 2014, after 2016, many of the companies are focusing on this Swachh Bharat activities. So Swachh Bharat activity is also comes under the corporate social responsibility activities. The companies which are doing the CSR activities, they are doing it as a strategy, okay, mere than the charity or donations. CSR activities are not the charity or donations merely. It is a strategy right now. So to win the heart of its stakeholders, to win the belief of its stakeholders, to create the good feeling in the minds of its stakeholders, the company is doing the CSR activities nowadays. Otherwise, just a 2% investment is enough, correct? But the companies are investing more than 10% in the CSR activities. For what reason? Because they are following the CSR activities as a strategy. Then realization. So realization is nothing but realizing the benefit to the company because of the CSR activities. Time to time realization and time to time analysis of the CSR activities and its benefits is also one of the trend. Water begins to take center stage. So under the CSR activities, water is also taking the importance. You might be seeing a recent advertisement of HUL. In one of the village of the Rajasthan, they are provided the water facility where the people of that particular village need to go for the water around 2 kilometers. They should walk. So this is also treated as the corporate social responsibility activities. Many companies are doing the same. Renewables gather the momentum. Renewable energy, what we call that, gathered the momentum. So many of the companies are focusing on the renewable energies and promoting the use of the renewable energies. Focus on integrating business model with the social and environmental priority. So the business model is little bit changing right now. That is focusing on social and environmental priorities. Nowadays, companies are creating the business model with the priority of the society and the environmental issues. Visibly contribute to the social goods. So what are the social goods? The social goods are nothing but infrastructure facilities and some of the social issues. Okay, so company should contribute to create the good feeling in the minds of its stakeholders, and that's why recently the companies are contributing to the social goods. So this is about this particular unit. From next class, we are going to start unit 4.